Have you ever clicked the buy button on a stock trading app and wondered what actually happened to your money just seconds later? Most people imagine that the money instantly lands in the company's bank account and they officially become part of the business. But the reality is far more fascinating. In fact, when you buy a stock, your order begins an incredible journey through one of the fastest and most advanced financial systems ever created. Within milliseconds, your broker sends your order to a stock exchange where powerful computers search for someone willing to sell the same stock at a matching price. The moment a buyer and seller agree, the trade is executed. But that's only the beginning. You don't receive a paper certificate anymore like investors did decades ago. Instead, digital records instantly update to show that you now own a tiny piece of that company. If it's your first share, congratulations. You've officially become a shareholder, which means you own a small fraction of a real business. That ownership may be tiny, but it's real. Whether it's a technology giant, a retail brand, or a healthcare company, your investment gives you a claim on a small part of its future success. However, here's something that surprises many beginners. In most cases, you're not buying those shares directly from the company itself. You're usually purchasing them from another investor who has decided it's the right time to sell. Think of it like buying a used house. The money doesn't go to the company that originally built the house. It goes to the previous owner. The stock market works in a very similar way. Every second, millions of investors around the world are buying and selling shares based on their expectations, emotions, research, and financial goals. That's why stock prices constantly move up and down. If more people want to buy than sell, prices usually rise. If more people want to sell than buy, prices usually fall. These price movements aren't random. They reflect what millions of investors collectively believe about a company's future. Strong earnings, exciting new products, economic news, interest rates, global events, and even investor psychology can all influence stock prices within minutes. But here's the most important thing to understand. Buying a stock doesn't guarantee you'll make money. Your investment grows only if the value of that business increases over time, or if the company shares profits with shareholders through dividends. That's why experienced investors focus less on daily price swings and more on owning great businesses for many years. They understand that the stock market isn't a machine that rewards impatience. It's a system that often rewards discipline, consistency, and long-term thinking. Imagine owning just one share of a company that continues growing for decades. As its revenue increases, profits expand, and more customers use its products, investors may value the business more highly, causing the stock price to rise. That's how many ordinary investors slowly build wealth over time, without needing to predict every market movement. On the other hand, if a company struggles with declining sales, poor management, heavy debt, or increased competition, its stock price can fall, reducing the value of your investment. This is why successful investing isn't about chasing hype or buying whatever is trending on social media. It's about understanding what you own and why you own it. Every stock represents a real business with employees, products, customers, competitors, risks, and opportunities. The better you understand that business, the more confident your investment decisions become. Another common misconception is that buying more expensive stocks automatically makes you richer. In reality, the percentage gain matters much more than the share price itself. A $20 stock that doubles to $40 performs exactly the same as a $200 stock that doubles to $400. Wealth in the stock market comes from growth, not from owning stocks with high price tags. That's why smart investors pay attention to business quality rather than simply looking at the stock price. And here's another interesting fact. After your trade is executed, ownership is officially settled through a clearing system that ensures both the buyer receives the shares and the seller receives the money safely and accurately. This process happens behind the scenes, allowing millions of trades to occur every single day with remarkable efficiency. It's one of the reasons modern financial markets function so smoothly despite their enormous size. So the next time you press that buy button, remember that you're not just making a transaction. You're becoming part of a global financial ecosystem where businesses raise capital, investors build wealth, and millions of decisions shape the economy every day. Understanding what really happens when you buy a stock is the first step toward becoming a smarter investor, because knowledge is often more valuable than timing. If you learned something new today and want to master investing, personal finance and wealth building strategies explained in simple English, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Smart Money Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Also, let us know in the comments. What was the very first stock you ever bought? Or which one are you planning to buy first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.